Now it's time for the unboxing of the Galaxy Gloss. So wow, these are nail polish sets. They are not gel, so yeah, so here we go. So here's the set. Sirius is the color. Borealis, something like that, I'm not sure. Borealis. Capella. This here is Pegasus. Draconis. Vega. I don't know. And here's the colors. Okay, so what I'm going to do is prep some nail tips and we're going to make some samples. Okay, now here are, I'm about to try the Sirius Galaxy Gloss. These are nail lacquers. I think they're lacquers. They're not gel. And I have 6 colors, so I'm going to put a color on each nail. I know I have just 5 fingers, but I have a separate nail ready to go. So this color here is kind of silvery. I'm going to put it on the pinky. Let me see, I probably need to shake first, since these are lacquers. Okay. It goes on nice. Now this would need to air dry. I don't know if you can see. Okay. Now on to the next. We're gonna do this one. Okay. I'm gonna give it a shake. Wow, it is so beautiful. I like it. Ooh. It gives a good fresh look. Okay. So put this one back and get the next one. Okay. I think this would probably be good, a cool polish to do stamping with. I might try it. Maybe. I don't think it's thick enough. Maybe the color is not as dense it out as I would imagine it would need to be to do a stamp. So maybe I won't try it. They go on light. Maybe you could use this as a top, not a top coat, but a top layer to say a solid color lacquer. And this here is what I'm about to use is Pegasus. Shake it up a bit. Okay. Oops. Lost my nail. Okay. Okay, this one you can see a little bit better. Okay. Now, put this one back and get the Draconis. Okay. That one's nice. Wow. Galaxy Gloss, Draconis, beautiful, love it. Now these need to just dry. Probably 3 to 4 minutes, I'm not sure. And then I'm going to see what they look like with a second coat. Oh, and for the last color, put this one back. Now I'm going to use the Vega. I'm going to use this Vega color. on this single nail. I'm gonna do this one. Ooh. Well, it's forgiving. I took too many strokes, I'm sure, but it didn't gump up on me, so that's a good thing. And that's that. Okay, we're going to let that sit. Now I'm going to put another coat on these nails, and we're going to be right back to see what the finished look looks like. Alright, look, this is the finished look. They still need to dry, but this is after a second coat. It goes on so smooth. Oh my goodness. It's so smooth and neat. I'm going to put a top coat on them once they get completely dry. But here's the look. Here's the finished look after a second coat. Just beautiful. Look. I love them. Your Sirius, your Borelius, Capella, Pegasus, and Dragonese. Okay. Okay, and that last color was the Vega. So here is the Vega after the second coat. Let me just take it out. Vega, Vega, Vega. Now I am an official Makartt retailer. Now you can order these. These right here come in a set. And I'm going to have this set. I'm going to post the pricing and provide a link in the description where you can purchase this Makartt Galaxy Gloss. Again, it's not a gel. It's a lacquer, but it goes on so smooth. It dries quick. And it didn't come with a top coat, but I'm going to, after the fact, sometime later put a top coat on to see if it lasts longer. But anyway, this is the final look of the Makartt Galaxy Gloss. This sample pack comes with all 6 colors, and they are gorgeous. And these are 2 layers, 2 coats. and they look amazing. They look so light and thick. They go on so smooth and so well. It's hard to believe it's a lacquer. Well, I don't know technically if it's a lacquer, but it's just a polish. It's not a gel polish. It's a regular, just air drying polish. And then there's the others. Alright, if you're interested in purchasing, I'm going to include the link below. And I'll probably throw in a couple of bonus nail art items in your purchase. But a lot of nail fun going on. Take advantage and shop with us. The link is in the description. Thank you. Bye-bye.